Hello and welcome to another Xterra video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. And today I'm gonna be working on my headlights. I'm gonna be upgrading or replacing my LED lights. So let's see how that's gonna come out, if that's gonna be any improvement or not. So I had my headlights for quite some time, but recently one of my low beams went out, so I needed to upgrade. And I'm not gonna lie, I was actually contacted by this company, Nilight, and they provided me a set of headlights to try them out. So what's the perfect timing? So let's open them up, let's see what's inside, let's install them, and then at night I'm gonna check how the light output. So let's open them up and let's see what's inside. Alright, so they actually comes with a set of gloves. This is a first for me at least. Never seen the headlights come with the gloves before. Over here I assume we have a little manual and two little zip ties. That's always nice. And here's the lights itself. Alright, let's pull them out. Looks pretty standard for the type of light that you'll find right now. We have a fan in the back, a little dangle over here, and the light itself, I believe it's adjustable over here. Build of aluminum, I think it's aluminum or something. So let's install them real quick, and when it gets dark we'll see how the light output. So right now I'm just gonna plug my old headlights, okay, and just gonna twist them and pull them out. Okay, so now as a comparison, the new headlight, the wire is much shorter. And I noticed it doesn't have any built-in like a module or whatever that is. So I presume it's everything inside, hopefully, maybe. We'll see. And another note, whenever you install these new headlights, it's mentioned that you're supposed to install them in this direction. So when you finish twisting it inside, the LEDs supposed to be to 3 and 9 o'clock. So just make sure it's facing this way. So now I'm gonna remove this ring from over here to take my bracket. Then I'm gonna remove this ring. Okay. Put my bracket inside and twist this to a proper location. Now just to compare the LEDs on the lights itself, over here they seems to be bigger. So I don't know if that's gonna make any difference or not. And another thing, I just usually put these lights, I usually put with a wire facing down. That way I know and I kind of feel that this is how it's supposed to be. These ones, they have marked top. This one doesn't have anything marked, but yeah. And the fan on this one looks bigger. So now I'm just gonna carefully slide this inside. Gonna lock this in. Just gotta make sure it's facing the right way. And the last thing is just to connect the wire. Alright, so now I'm gonna repeat the same procedure on that light and we're done. Alright guys, so now I'm driving with my brand new LED headlights by Nilight, and this is my low beam, and I might be mistaken, but I think it looks better. The light output is much better and it's much clearer than from what I used to have. So now I'm gonna switch to the high beam. And the high beam is much better as well. I think it's much better. I'm gonna try to put two videos together with my old lights that I had and these ones, so we can compare. Alright, and the new headlights are installed and they look pretty good. I'm pretty pleased with the light output on them. They seem very bright, so that's a plus. And of course the installation of them is pretty straightforward and easy. Nothing major over here. So on this note, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hope you might find it helpful, and as always, until next time, everybody, bye.